Well, not with this dickhead in front of me.
Which way is it going?
South.
I got it. I got it.
It's going over right now. Ready?
There's 2.
Just right where that deer got smoked.
2.
Yep. You gotta be kidding me.
I got it. It'll be nice if it was in Richmond, but that's okay.
We never would have got there in time.
I know. 32's not bad. I think this is the M483. Yeah, it's M483. Oh wow. Going fast. Yeah, it's raining. Southbound, westbound, cool. Richmond, Michigan. 32 miles. It's raining, hang on. Yeah, sorry, it's raining. That's right here. I gotta see that one. Yeah. No. Damn! Look, blue tanker. There's the end. Alright. There goes.